Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by finding the exact channel that's producing the audio you see in the piano roll. Once the piano roll is open, look at the top left or header to read the channel name, then open the channel rack or instrument settings. Make sure you can see whether the channel is a sampler, audio clip, or instrument. Once identified, pause and confirm the channel is the one you want to modify. This prevents deleting the wrong data and preserves other tracks. Next, unlink the audio at its source. Open the channel settings and remove the assigned audio sample or switch the channel type to a blank instrument. Then go to the playlist and locate any audio clip instances. Delete them to stop the audio from being referenced. Once the sample is removed, return to the piano roll and delete remaining notes if needed, because the piano roll only shows notes tied to the active channel. So finally, verify the change by saving a new version and playing back the area. Make sure the piano roll no longer triggers the unwanted sound. If it still does, inspect pattern-to-channel links and ensure there are no alternative clips routed to that channel. Once clean, tidy up by renaming or deleting unused channels. Troubleshooting tip: if the audio persists, relink the piano roll to a different instrument and then back again, or restart the DAW to clear cached routing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.